At the end of this video, you'll know how to add signers and how to sign documents. The signature process works the same way, regardless of the document type. To begin, looking at the MedClinical documents, assessments, and treatment plans. For this example, we will use an assessment. The top left-hand corner is where you can manage your signers. The lighter gray line is where you will see who is already added as a signer to this document. If there are signers missing, select the drop-down for the required signers and find the individual's name that needs to be added. Select the name to add the individual as a signer. Once you have added all of the required signers to your assessment or treatment plan, select Publish Snapshot. This will officially record the document in the client's activity log and allow for signatures. If you, as the user, are added as a signer when you select the Publish Snapshot button, you will be asked if you would like to sign the document. To sign, select OK. The treatment plans work the same way. At the top left-hand corner of the document, review and add signers as needed, and then select Publish Snapshot. To capture the client's signature on documentation, navigate back to the client's chart. You may need to select the refresh wheel next to the New Note button. This will refresh the activity log to ensure you are seeing all of the latest documents. All of the documents with a client's signature required button is requiring the client to sign. If the client has not set up a 4-digit PIN to sign the document while in the office, or if they have forgotten their PIN number, navigate to the top of the client's chart to the piece of paper with a pen symbol. This button requires the user to have the appropriate permissions to set up the contact PIN or to reset the contact PIN. Select this icon, and a new window will open and time out the main page of your BestNotes. This happens because the client will need to be the one to enter in the PIN, and they have the potential to see your screen. Once the client has entered their PIN number twice, they will select Submit. Then you can unlock your BestNotes. Now you are ready to select the client's Signature Required button. This will pull the document up so the client can review it. At the bottom left-hand corner, the client will enter their 4-digit PIN and select Sign. Once the client is finished signing, you will enter your password again to unlock BestNotes. For any template signatures, locate the template within the client's chart to start the document and review the signers. As before, review the lighter gray line and add signers as needed by selecting the Signers dropdown. Once the document is finished, select Save, Sign, and Lock. This button is the equivalent to the Publish Snapshot in MedClinical documents. But this button will also lock the document so that it can no longer be edited or deleted. On-site system administrators will have the ability to unlock and delete a document if needed. Once the document is saved to the activity log, you are able to select the blue date on the document and scroll to the bottom to review any and all signatures. Now you know how to add signers to a document and how to sign those documents. If you have any questions about signatures, you can reach out to BestNotes support.